Hello friends, let's see how to import Excel data into MySQL. No software required, no Excel add-on required. It's very easy. Come on. Let us see how it can be. This is our sample database, name as test. Inside this, we have table, name as sample. In this table we have columns like ID, quantity, rate, description and value. This is the Excel data we want to import into the MySQL database. Here, we have not considered first column, which is ID. Because we have set this column as auto increment. Means, this column will automatically consider new serial number, while adding new row data. In Excel data, we have copied all column heading, as per MySQL database in the first row, to understand the column sequence. Here, for importing bulk data we will use SQL query, which is ready available in SQL DAB. And this is the part of query, where we will put our data in specific format. To convert data in the required format, we have made a coding for you, which will convert the whole data in a single shortcut key. Just press Ctrl+Q and you will see output. No matter how large your data is, total data will convert it into this required format. Remember, there should not be the blank row, from row number 1 to the last row of your data. I will copy data from row number 2, because row number 1 are the headings of the columns. And, we will paste this into our MySQL query. Just remove last comma, and press go. Boom. It's done. If you want this Excel file, we have provided link of file in description below. It's completely free. Just use it, and save your time. As I told you, it can convert any amount of data, no matter how large. Let us show you an example. Just don't keep first row and first column blank. If you think it is useful to you, just like and subscribe our channel. If you want any such utility like this, which is not available freely, feel free to write in the comment box. We will surely try to develop for you, and it will also completely free. Thank you and enjoy it.